Today we're covering curved sidewalk designs, breaking the straight line. Here's what you need to know. Curved concrete sidewalks add visual interest and flow. Learn design principles, costs, 8 to 15 per square foot, and why curved paths require precision placement and proper drainage. Quick answer. Curved concrete sidewalks cost 10 to 15 per square foot and typically take 2 to 4 days to install. They require custom formwork, precise subgrade prep, and controlled joints every 4 to 6 feet to prevent cracking. Radius curves between 8 and 20 feet work best for residential paths. Straight sidewalks are the default, but they don't have to be. A curved concrete path can soften a landscape, improve accessibility, and add visual interest to your front walk or backyard. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We've completed curved sidewalk projects in Mooresville, Cornelius, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and beyond, working with homeowners who want something beyond the basic grid. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post covers the design principles, costs, construction process, and common mistakes that derail curved sidewalk projects. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, serving Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, High Point, and the Lake Norman area, Mooresville, Cornelius, Davidson, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews. Curved sidewalk projects require site-specific subgrade preparation, controlled joint placement every 4 to 6 feet, and careful finishing to prevent cracking. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Curved walks typically cost 8 to 15 per square foot depending on complexity, site conditions, and decorative finishes. Proper drainage and soil compaction are essential to prevent frost heave and settlement in North Carolina's variable climate. Moving on to design principles for curved sidewalks. Curved sidewalks succeed when the radius and path width match your site and use case. A residential path should be between 3 and 5 feet wide enough for 2 people to walk side by side, but not so wide that it feels like a driveway. The curve itself should feel natural to the landscape, not forced or abrupt. What radius should you choose? Most residential curves use radii between 8 and 20 feet. An 8-foot radius creates a noticeable curve. A 20-foot radius is gentler, almost a slight bend. Anything tighter than 4 feet becomes difficult for pedestrians, especially elderly homeowners or anyone with mobility issues. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.